Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today we're going to be installing this Rugged Ridge multi-mount dash mount onto our 2019 Jeep Wrangler Willys today. And what this is going to do is allow us to easily mount our phone as well as a ton of other accessories right up here right on the dash. Now the cool thing about this kit is that it doesn't require any permanent modification nor adding on any extra screws or any other pieces. You simply remove 2 screws from this panel, re-screw them into here, and you have a nice secure mounting location for your phone and other accessories on the back that are available right here at CJ Pony Parts. The cool thing also is that this is a lot deeper, this well in here, so you can hold more storage in there. I think it's even big enough to throw a wallet, even some other keys, and have them nice and secure with this little lip. Another cool thing is that this textured part almost matches some of the other interior pieces in here, so it's not going to look like a giant aftermarket piece. But what we're going to do today is just show you how to install it quick and then show you some of the functionality, but overall this is a really neat piece and super simple to install. The only thing you need to do is remove this rubber panel out of here first. That just simply pulls right up and you can set that out of the way. You won't be reinstalling it. And then the only other 2 things you need to pull out, there are 2 Phillips head screws in here, 1 on each side. Pull this one out first. It's going to be about that size. Just a standard Phillips, I'll pull them right out for you. Luckily Jeep didn't make these Torx, so thank you Jeep for not doing that. Pull this side out. And then we're going to grab our Rugged Ridge piece. And what we're going to do is go ahead and set each Phillips screw into the already slotted holes like so. And then just get that set into place. I might have to pull the screws back out just a tad bit, but I like to put them in the holes a while so we don't have to, I didn't even honestly have to look over the dash or get into any weird sort of positions to get this on. And we'll go ahead and snug each of these up. And that's it. Honestly, guys, we didn't have to do any cutting or editing on how quick that was. It's literally that simple to get this installed. It is really, really nice and secure. You can tighten it and loosen it by this knob right here. And then this piece actually will wrap around the corners or edges of your phone. You can turn this to the side if you like your phone to be side mounted, or straight up and down if you want that. You can also adjust the angle, throw on a camera mount onto the back. You can even add a wireless charger right here from our website that you can go ahead and install onto this. So as soon as you put it up here, you can start charging your phone. But a really cool install here and only takes a minute to do. I definitely recommend this. And honestly, it is really, really sturdy. I could probably shake the whole Jeep by pulling on this with a nice deep pocket here. So a really cool install. So now we can just go ahead and mock up our phone right into place, and that'll be nice and good to go when we're going off-road on the trail or even just on the highway. I really like the look of that. And I just noticed too that there is a small wire holder here, so if you did want to run your cable to perhaps do CarPlay on the inside or just to charge it, you can tuck it behind there and then just run it down nice and smooth. But overall, holds the phone really well there, and you could even, if you wanted to, throw these on for extra security. I normally don't use these, but we'll see how they work. So you can get all 4 corners on there and hold that phone into now even more secure place. So pretty cool there and really easy to do. All right guys, well that's a wrap on this installation of the Rugged Ridge multi-mount system onto our 2019 Jeep Wrangler. This is going to fit your 18 and newer Jeep JL as well as your 18 and newer Jeep Gladiator. I got to tell you guys, I'm extremely happy with the way that this looks. The extra deep pockets, the phone mount, and all the accessories you can purchase right here at CJ's really make this a once and done kit. You can get your phone nice and secure in there, not have to worry about it while you're driving, especially in those states where it is illegal to have them in your hands. Now you have the hands-free option. Simply plug it into your CarPlay and you're good to go. Now overall, if you want to check this out, you can visit cjponyparts.com where you can check out this mount as well as all sorts of other Rugged Ridge accessories to really make your Jeep customized on the interior and make it better for you on the highway. Until next time guys, if you want to check that out, be sure to visit our website and I'll see you out on the trails.